Solyball Cooling Ace is marketed as a portable cooling device that supposedly delivers instant cooling, powerful airflow, and relief from hot weather without the size or cost of traditional air conditioning. But the real question is, can it actually help you beat the heat? Now, to be fair, personal cooling devices are real products. Small fans and evaporator coolers can create airflow and help people feel more comfortable in certain situations. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between workspaces, bedrooms, and travel setups. Uses less power than full air conditioning. Personal coolers typically consume much less electricity than large AC systems. Where the hype falls apart, it won't replace a real air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many ads make these devices appear capable of cooling entire rooms, while real performance is often much more limited. Cooling effects are usually localized. You may feel cooler sitting nearby without significantly changing room temperature. Performance can depend on climate. Evaporative-style cooling products generally work better in drier conditions. So, can Solyball Cooling Ace help you beat the heat? Short answer: yes, but mostly as a personal comfort device. If you want airflow and localized cooling near your body, it may help. But if you're expecting it to cool an entire room like a real air conditioner, expectations may be too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.